Alright, baby. This is our Proheat 2 times revolution. Alright, so let me give you a little detour about this little machinery, Alright, so this bad boy right here, this is where you fill up the clean water and add the solution. And down here, well, that's just the dirty water solution. I would highly suggest not drinking that. But anyways, so you lift this up. There's a screw right up there. You unscrew that shit. And then you fill it up with hot water. I don't know if you can see it on the back here. But for express clean, you fill the water to there. And then the formula to that extra line. But since, we got to deep clean this shit because Ranger and all the other cats, this is called the max deep clean. So you fill the water up to that line. And then you pour the formula to fit to that line. Pretty simple. So let's put this bad boy back in. So you see these little clips, right? You gotta diagonal it in, drop it in, push down. There's no clicks, no nothing, just slides right in place. Now, to give you a little sign, this machine right here, it does not fill up all the way. It will stop working after halfway. And you'll tell whenever it doesn't start sucking up all the water. So I'm going to guess that you're going to be doing some deep cleaning. Some really extra deep cleaning. So, just go down to this little area right here. And right here. Using Bissel Deep Clean Antibacterial Floribia. That's exactly what I meant to say. So, it says right here. Press and spray the trigger to apply solution while making 3 slow wet passes. So you go 1 forward, 1 back, and 1 forward again. That's while holding the trigger. Release the trigger and then make 1 slow dry pass to suck up all the dirty solution. Do not hold down the trigger for this step. I mean it, don't. So, right here, this is the trigger. That's how you release the solution. And remember, that's 3 slow passes. Forward, back, forward. And then suck that bad boy up with 1 dry pass. And then, you will run out, and you will run out fast. That's one, bad side about this machine, but it works. So, you just take that bad boy off right here. This will be where the dirty water is. You pull this out, push that down, pull out, dump all the water, and then you're good to go. Alright, so this is the last step. After you get done doing everything, you're ready to store this motherfucker. You need to turn to page 14 and 15. This is how you empty the dirty water tank and cleaning the machine after use. Because you need to clean it. Well, then what's the point of using it to clean the carpet? Because then it's just going to be disposing dirty water. So, like I said, page 14 and 15 is how you clean this. And after that, let it dry, store it, and you are done. Thank you for coming, and thank you for listening to Jared's Talks. Peace.